Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The celestial king's sound of skillful meditation found the door of liberation, of ability to spend an eon expounding the meanings and methods of all stages of enlightenment. The celestial king adornment explaining sound found the door of liberation of methods of making great offerings, when all enlightening beings descend from the palace of the Tushita heaven to be born in the world. The celestial king profound light sound found the door of liberation of contemplation of the inexhaustible ocean of spiritual power and wisdom. The celestial king great fame found the door of liberation of techniques for appearing in the world, having fulfilled the ocean of virtues of all Buddhas. The celestial king's supreme pure light found the door of liberation of the mine of faith and delight produced by the power of the Buddha's ancient vows. Then the celestial king pleasing light, imbued with the power of the Buddha, surveyed all the celestial hosts from the heavens of little light, infinite light, and intense light, and said in verse, I remember the past practice of the Buddha, serving and providing offerings for innumerable Buddhas. His pure deeds, in accord with his original faith, are now all visible through the Buddha's spiritual power. The Buddha's body is formless, free from all defilement, always abiding in compassion and pity. He removes the distress of all worlds. This is the liberation of subtle light. The Buddha's teaching is vast and boundless. It is manifest in all fields, according to their becoming and decay, each different. This is the power of liberation of sound of freedom. The Buddha's spiritual power is incomparable. It appears everywhere, in the vast fields of all directions, and makes them all pure, always manifest. This is the technique of liberation of supreme mindfulness. Respectfully serving all the Buddhas, numerous as atoms in oceans of lands, hearing the teaching, getting rid of defilement, not acting in vain. This is subtle sound's application of the teaching. The Buddhas have, for immeasurable eons, expounded the techniques of the stages without peer. What they have explained is boundless and inexhaustible.